You can watch these short daily videos to understand common English idioms. My name is Mary and I am from Canada. This idiom, feel like $1,000,000, is used by someone who feels extremely good, healthy, or happy, often after a period of feeling ill or unhappy. If you want to know more about this idiom, please continue to the next page. Let me know your suggestions for more English idioms or phrasal verbs in the comments below. Thank you for liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Bye now. The idiom "feel like $1,000,000" may have originated in the United States in the early 20th century. It started during a time when $1,000,000 represented an enormous amount of wealth, far beyond the reach of the average person. Over time, it became a popular way to describe a state of high spirits or excellent health, and it remains a common and popular idiom today. Thank you for liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Bye now.